y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm going to be showing you in today's video how crazy I am before we leave on vacation. I don't know why I do this, but every single time that we're gonna go on a trip, I always feel the need to clean my house and pack in the biggest hurry the night before we leave. I don't know why I do it. It stresses me out. It's a lot of work. I have to stay up late before we're gonna take a drive anywhere. It's probably not my best choice. So maybe you can relate to me. Maybe you think I'm absolutely insane. Maybe I am. But I'm gonna give you a glimpse into what the night before I leave for vacation typically looks like. It's a little bit crazy. It's a little bit wild. I stayed up till like 2 o'clock and then needed to wake back up at 4 so that we could get on the road by 5. So it just made for a really rushed evening. Maybe one of these days I will learn to do better. But for today, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Every time you like one of my videos, it pushes it out to someone else, and that just allows me to keep making these videos, and I really appreciate it. All right, time to watch all the crazy happen. So literally like at 10 o'clock the night before we're supposed to leave at like 5 the next morning, I decided to decorate my entryway. So I'm using this lantern that I love, and it's just like a staple piece for me. I picked up this woven basket at HomeGoods recently, and I'm just gonna add this little distressed white vase with these beige cosmos that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna add that to the basket, and then I have just a soy candle and a little tiny tabletop sign. I'm just gonna keep it really simple right there because I feel like a lot of times I really go all out in decorating it, but I just want it to look simple. So I recently picked up this woven basket from Walmart for $20. I've compared some that were like $35, and this basket is beautiful and it was a great price point. But I'm gonna add this gray quilted throw just to give it a finished look, and I really love how the basket kind of ties it all together. My name is Callie, and my toxic trait is that I feel the need to clean my entire house the night before we leave for vacation. I have no idea why I do this, but I guess it's because I don't want to come home to a dirty house. So I will stay up so late and clean my whole house while I also need to finish packing. I don't know why I don't just do it sooner. You would think that would be easier. But I do this every single time, and it's super stressful, but it's also what I did this time as well. And so right here I'm just getting my living room floor picked up and getting the toys back to the kids' room and just putting everything in its place basically. So we are blessed with some really great family that will come over to our house while we're on vacation, and they'll just keep an eye on things, check around the house, make sure everything's good, take care of our cats. So I really want to make sure that my house is in good shape in case they need to come in and hang out for a minute. I definitely had one load of dishes that I had to run and get put away, which you know takes quite a while. So I got everything in the dishwasher from that day that we had used for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and got that ran so that I could put it away before we left the house. So by this point it's like 1:30ish, and I'm finally just finishing up packing the kids' suitcases and getting everything ready for us to load up in the car so that we can leave at 5 in the morning. Thank y'all so much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope I'll see you back in the next one. Bye, y'all.